2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Luxury takes sophistication to a whole new level. Its sleek, bold exterior catches every gaze with its iconic Mercedes grille and cutting-edge LED headlights. The aerodynamic design makes it look like it's gliding down the road even when parked. Rolling on massive alloy wheels, this S-Class isn't just about looks. It's a statement of elegance and dominance. Step inside and you're welcomed by an interior dripping with luxury. Leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, and a 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen are just the beginning. The Burmester 4D surround sound system turns every drive into a concert experience, while the spacious cabin keeps everyone comfy on long trips. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, this car makes you feel like royalty. Under the hood, the 2025 S-Class packs a punch. The 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine delivers smooth yet powerful acceleration, making every journey feel effortless. Add in the advanced air suspension, and you're looking at a ride that's not just powerful, but smooth as silk. The hybrid option is perfect for eco-conscious drivers, offering performance without compromising on sustainability. Want to know more about this head-turning masterpiece? Hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive reviews.